What's up, you guys? Jaden here with the Moonlight Craftsman channel. Today I'm standing here beside an old Miller Syncrowave 250, and this welder had a bad post flow timer. So if you've ran into this problem where your post flow timer has went bad, you've diagnosed it, that's the problem, and you've figured out that the part is discontinued, I have the solution for you today, because me and my partner figured this out, and we have made a kit available on eBay in the description below that I'm going to walk through today to show you exactly how to fix it simply, easily, cheaply. So stay tuned. So let's go through what's going to come in your replacement post-flow timer kit. So your package is going to come via United States Postal Service. It's going to come wrapped up nice. What we have here is a mounting plate that you're going to place on the side of your welder, or really anywhere where there's some open space inside of the welder. We put ours on the, looking at the front on the left side of the welder. So what you're going to do is you will use a 2 5/8 at least hole saw to cut in the side of your welding cabinet. You're going to center this up on the hole on the outside, and then you're going to use the included pop rivets to pop rivet to the side of your welder. After you get that installed, your kit comes with a timer. These are quality parts made in Japan, and these will do a lot of different things, but we already have it set up specifically for this application. So you don't need to do anything. The top should be set to OS. We should be set from 0 to 60 and seconds. Then, with this installed on the side of your welder, you'll place the timer through. Your kit also includes a retaining clip. The retaining clip slides over the back of the timer and catches on these ribs to hold it in place. Then the last thing in your kit is this block that has the wires that will push onto the back of your timer. It's already wired for this application. When putting it on, which you'll want to wire it up to the wires, which I'll show you here in a bit. After you connect these wires to the old post-flow timer wires, you're just going to push it onto the back of the timer that has been installed. It pushes in. Like I said, it's a little tight. Then these clips hold it securely in place. At that point, you're ready to go. It turns on when the welder turns on. It turns on when the arc turns on. It works perfectly. I've been using this welder for months now, and it works perfectly every time. You can adjust it with this dial right here, and never had a problem with it. So looking inside the welder, as you can see, we have this installed right here. This is the prototype, but we made a square hole just straight in the panel. Didn't want you guys to have to do that, so we made that separate piece that you can just use a hole saw. And so you're just going to pull the wires off of your terminals on your old post-flow timer. Again, it's assembly number 044723. And when you get your kit, there are supplied connectors here for you. And these numbers that come off of your post flow timer, they have little numbers on there. And so right here, it's wire number 4. It's going to connect to wire number 4 that we supplied you. Here, it's number 49. You have to look pretty close on the wires, but they're on there. 49 goes with 49. 44 with 44. And then you should have 2 number 43 wires coming off the post flow timer. You'll want to connect those together, use the supplied connector, and connect that to the one number 43 wire from your kit. And that's it. It's all set up, works perfectly. Again, there is a link in the description, eBay at the bottom in the description. Go purchase this right now. The supply is limited. When we sell out, we will try and make some more, but you're going to want to act fast on this one. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you and get you back up and running so you can make some money with your welder. Thanks.